Howdy folks, this is HeathersChubbyHubby. You might remember me from such classic PSAs as, "Is that nitroglycerin? Let's hit it with a hammer and find out." Or, "What's that hissing noise by the gas main? I don't know, light a match, let's find out." But today, I bring you a truly important PSA. This has to do with the enrollment program at the United States Mint. And how, when they say enrollment, what they really mean is reoccurring enrollment, apparently. So, and you know, most of this is probably just me being stupid, but just in case. Last year we had a little niece born into the family, so I wanted to do like we did for the other three kids and get her a birth year mint set. So we did. We used the enrollment process. When they were released, they shipped the mint sets out. I got one for us, I got one for the kid. Bada boom, bada bing, baby. Good. Well, about 3 weeks ago now, I saw an email in my preview window that said something about United States Mint check account settings. And I thought, wow, I don't need to do that. There's nothing coming out that I'm interested in right at the moment, so whatevs. Several days after that, I received another email saying my order had shipped. So at this point I thought maybe I should go look at these emails and see what's going on. Well, guess what? In this box should be 3 2022 uncirculated mint sets, which are basically oopsies. So let's see what we got. Yep, that's what it looks like. Box down. 2, 3. I haven't seen any of these up close yet, but from what I've been seeing online, pictures of them, I'm not impressed. Yeah, see, this is, I'm sorry, but that's a joke. My disappointment is immense. I thought the ones from last year looked kind of really cheap and shoddy, but boy, at least there was, if I remember right, at least there was a flap that covered the coins. This is, well, anyway, you might see some of these in an upcoming GAW. I'll put one in our stash just to have it. And like I said though, mint, come on man, come on. That's how that looks like something you'd get from the Littleton Mint or some kind of stuff like that. Yeah, like I said, I'm glad I canceled the darn enrollment, I can tell you that much, because if this is the quality they're putting out, well, anyway. So, the moral of the story is, pay attention to your emails. Understand when they say enrollment, they mean it's in perpetuity. I think they should call it a reoccurring enrollment. I was thinking it was you enrolled that year to get that year's set. You had to re-enroll every year, but I guess not. So anyway, there they are. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. Don't follow my bad example, and thank you for watching.